This is number 3 Balance Street in Ellerslie. This is an LL order to just install modem and test the services. But I do see here, it seems there is a damaged fiber and the copper leads as well coming from the pole. And it looks like this property is looks rebuilt and new, just number 3. And they placed an order for a new fiber broadband. So what is request to live the service here is to cross the footpath from the pole and continue trenching for a duct from the pole all the way inside the property of 50 meters, and then it ends at the boundary. They put a green duct at the boundary, and the other end of the duct goes near the garage behind the house where the FTP to be installed.